Welcome to our ultimate comparison of the BLACK+DECKER portable washer and the BLACK+DECKER compact clothes dryer. In this video, we will dive into the features, specifications, and performance of both appliances to help you decide which one is best for your laundry needs. Whether you live in a small apartment or just need a portable solution, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The first major difference between these two appliances is their function. The BLACK+DECKER portable washer is designed to wash clothes using water and various wash cycles, making it ideal for cleaning your garments. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER compact clothes dryer is designed to dry clothes using heat and multiple drying programs. This distinction is crucial for understanding how each appliance fits into your laundry routine. Next, let's talk about capacity. The BLACK+DECKER portable washer has a capacity of 6.6 pounds, allowing you to wash a decent amount of laundry in one go. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER compact clothes dryer has a capacity of 5.5 pounds, which means it can handle slightly less laundry. This difference may influence your decision depending on how much laundry you typically do at once. Finally, let's compare how each appliance operates. The BLACK+DECKER portable washer requires water to clean your clothes, utilizing various wash cycles to ensure thorough cleaning. Conversely, the BLACK+DECKER compact clothes dryer relies on heat to dry your clothes, offering multiple drying programs to cater to different fabric types. Understanding these operational differences can help you choose the right appliance for your laundry needs. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER portable washer and the compact clothes dryer offer great solutions for laundry in small spaces. Depending on your specific needs, whether you prioritize washing capabilities or drying efficiency, one may be more suitable for you than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.